Once your planting is done, you might be tempted to walk away, but ongoing care is so important and will make sure your efforts don't go to waste. In this video, we'll walk you through the key steps for ongoing monitoring and maintenance. It's really important that you keep on top of your weed control in the following years. This will ensure your plants have the best chance of survival and will reduce your fire risk. A tool like this can be really handy for when you're coming along using non-selective herbicide, and you can place it over the tree like this and spray your herbicide around.
Here we are in a site that's 1 to 2 years old. It's had really good maintenance weed control. It's obviously there's been use of selective herbicides, so the grass has been killed. We're seeing a little bit of ryegrass coming through the kikuyu. I think it's had about 30% infill in year 2. It's probably at the point now where it's really, because the adequate maintenance was done in that first 12 to 18 months, it's probably just at the point where it would need some minor weed control, monitoring, looking out for pests, animals which would be animal grazing, and just a little bit of selective weed control. It probably doesn't need any more watering because the plants are pretty well established. So yeah, this is a really good example of effective post-planting maintenance.
Fire risk is a common worry when excluding your stock from a waterway. It might be necessary to come back with a grass selective herbicide for a few years, but once you've got a good established ground cover and shrub species to shade out the weeds, this should be less of a worry. It can also be an option to plant fire retardant species, as this can be a good way of reducing the fire risk on your property.
In the first summer, it's really important and kind of beneficial to water the plants if you can. A site like this, it's got really good access. You could easily drive a water cart along the side and you could water all of these plants. We find that you can water 500 to 700 plants per hour or more really easily, so it's not really a big undertaking, but doing it monthly, especially in the first summer, really improves the success of your project. We usually use a liquid soil wetter and a liquid fertiliser in our mix.
When you come back to your re-veg site, it can often be really difficult to tell your species apart, so a coloured marker can be a really handy tool so you can track your species survival. Here's an example. It's just a coloured bamboo stake. You can allocate each of your species a different colour when you're planting.
During the maintenance period, it's really important to stage the tree guard removal. In this case, extra important because it's plastic tree guard and you don't want that staying in the environment for longer than it needs to be. So we'll basically go through and see, in this case, the plants definitely are growing the guard. It's time to take it off. You just carefully pull it up. And then, like we mentioned earlier, you can just leave a stake to help identify it if it happens to die later on. Otherwise, just remove all 3 stakes. Hope you guys have enjoyed the information that's been provided today and it somewhat helps with the success of your potential revegetation project.
Thanks for watching along. We hope you got some good tips from the series, and please don't hesitate to reach out to the team here at GeoCatch if you need any more guidance. And now, go get some plants in the ground.